Now we are discussing nomenclature of ketones. First of all, we'll see rules for the nomenclature of ketones. First of all, you have to select the longest chain of carbon, including carbonyl carbon. Again, remember here, carbonyl carbon you can't skip. Again, provide numbering to the selected chain. But the carbonyl carbon must get least possible number. So you can start numbering from either this end or from another end. Only thing is, our carbonyl carbon must get least possible number irrespective of substituent. That is very important. Find out the name of the substituent as usual with their locant number, means on which carbon these substituents are present. Then you have to, again I want to add little more information. So once you find out the name of the substituent with their locant number, arrange them in alphabetical order irrespective of their locant number. Then you have to find name of the parent alkane. That is very simple. You just count number of carbons present in the selected chain. That will be your parent alkane. So from that parent alkane name, you just drop down E and add ONE, this time ONE for ketone, and that will become alkanone. To this alkanone, you have to join actually the number, you have to prefix the number where the carbonyl carbon is present. So any number will be there. Now let us take few examples so you can understand this nomenclature very easily. Now here one example is given where the carbonyl carbon is here. So I have to select the longest chain, which I have already selected. Now second task is to provide numbers. I can start numbering from this end or from this end. If I start numbering from this end, our carbonyl carbon won't get least possible number. So I must select this end for the numbering because it will provide number 2 to the carbonyl carbon, which is least possible number. So because of that, numbering is started from this end, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there is no substituent, so you need not to write any substituent. What is your next rule? You have to find parent alkane. Parent alkane means very simple. There are 4 carbon in the selected chain, so the parent alkane is butane. And as per this rule, you have to drop E from the parent alkane and add ONE, so that becomes butanone. What? You have to prefix some number. That number is the number of carbonyl carbon. It is second, it is 2. So the name of this compound is 2-butanone. I have taken here one more example where 2 substituents present. One is this substituent and another is this substituent. Now again, I have to select the longest chain where the maximum number of carbons present along with the carbonyl carbon. So because of that, I have selected this longest chain by using, I have shown here by using red color. Now see, the second task is to provide numbers. If I start numbering from this end, our carbonyl carbon will not get least possible number. So I must select this end because this is near from this end. So I give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So after that, our task is to find which substituents are present along with their locant number. So if I go from this end, there is a substituent at the carbon number 2 whose locant number is 2. That's why, and that substituent is methyl. So I write here 2-methyl. Another substituent is present at carbon number 4. So it becomes 4-ethyl. This is ethyl substituent. Now if more than one substituent is present, you have to join them, you have to combine them together by using one rule, that is you have to arrange them in alphabetical order irrespective of their locant number. So E will come alphabetically first, then M. So I wrote here first ethyl. So 4-ethyl, then 2-methyl. This is actually the name becomes after the combination of these 2 substituents. Now here one little rule I want to revise, that if number is there and the word is there, you have to join them by using a hyphen. And if numbers are there, that means more than one number is there, you have to separate them by using a comma. I hope you know that rule. Then the next is the name of parent alkene. In this selected chain, there are 7 carbon, so the name is heptane. And as per the rule, you have to drop this E and add ONE, so that becomes heptanone. But the locant number of this carbonyl carbon is 3, so the name becomes 3-heptanone. Then the final name becomes a name of the substituents and then name of the parent alkane. So the name of the substituent is 4-ethyl 2-methyl and parent alkane is heptane. So I forgot to write here 3-heptane. I have to make that change. So this is 3-heptanone. So the name of this compound is 4-ethyl 2-methyl 3-heptanone. That's it. Thank you.